Hello everyone, welcome back to Bharath.Insights YouTube channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how you can apply this Microsoft certifications while scheduling an exam, what challenges you may face, what are the parameters you need to fill properly to schedule your exam properly on time without having any issues. Okay, so on my screen you could see currently I am scheduling a Microsoft Certified Fabric Analytics Engineer Associate. If you know this certification, just comment down in this channel what kind of a certification is this. So this certification exam is basically for a DP-600. So as you know already, I have completed in my YouTube channel Fabric Data Days, in which I taught on PL-300, and one of my other MVPs taught on Microsoft Fabric, where you will be getting a vouchers on PL-300 and DP-600 as well as DP-700. So on that note, so this is a link. I will be keeping this link in the video description. You can open this link and schedule your exam, follow the same steps what I'm going through. So most of the people have got the free vouchers from the Microsoft, whoever attended my YouTube live sessions on the Fabric Data Days as well. So happy to inform you as well. So without wasting much time, so if this is the link, you can scroll down through the link where you have this practice for the exam and take the exam. And in the below, you have an option called schedule exam. So this is about 165 USD. So let me click on scheduling the examination. So these are the initial steps, so we have to fill it properly. So firstly you have to sign in through your account from for this Microsoft website. Then you have to give proper address. For example, let's say I am giving my address. These are all dummy address, but I'm not giving my original address. So while you are filling, you have to give your original address. Okay, so wherever is you have seen the star mark, you have to apply. So my city is Hyderabad. I belong to state. Before filling the state, just give the country. So just select India, and then state you can select the Telangana. So I am belong to Telangana state. Then you can give the postal code. So I have given the postal code here. Then it is asking you to phone number and contact email, so that this person you, the exam delivery provider, can contact you if you found any issue. So this is very important. So this exam is being hosted by the third party, delivery provider for this Microsoft. It's nothing but Pearson View. So you have to give your contact number and email it if you face any issues in the future. So I am giving my mobile number. So if I every data would be recorded there. Also, I'm giving my email ID. Then, if everything is done, if you could scroll down below, it is asking any discounts will be applied at Pearson View during the payment. Let's say if you have any voucher like 50% off, 100% off vouchers. So before you making your payment, that would be applied. If you have a voucher code, enter the code on the Pearson View during the payment. So please proceed to the Pearson View portal to advance with your examination. So I'm clicking on submit, giving forward to the next steps. So in the next step, it is asking select the exam options. So as I told you, right, DP-600, implementing analytics solution using Microsoft Fabric. You can take in three ways. So one is in person at a test center. So if you have any test centers nearby, if you click this, it will give you the test center. You have to go physically and complete your exam. And the next one is on view, which is nothing but through virtual, like online with on view, or I have a private access code. So three methods you have, but usually you can do this online, which is very user friendly, and you don't need to travel anywhere, and everything would be done at your place. So let me click on online with on view. Then it is ask you like please prepare to take your exam with on you. So you attempt, before you attempting original exam, just go through all this like system test. You have any space or not, like you have to give your ID, and you have to watch some short video. So this will be like before your exam, just click on next. So then it is giving you which is your preferred language for the exam. See, I am applying this exam from India, so I'm comfortable with English. I'm choosing in English. If you are from different country, you can choose the language which you are familiar. Then click on the next. So in the next, I am doing this required information is marked with an star. So have you read and do you agree with the Microsoft certificate code of conduct? So you can click all yes, yes, and yes. I'm clicking everything as yes. Then click on next. So it is asking me, have please provide a valid response for the required information. Have you read and do you agree to the Microsoft code of conduct? So your answer is required. So it is not typed, I guess. So that's why it's asking me to re-enter. So just click on next. And then next, it is asking for online exam. See, you are attending this exam and completing these exams through online. So The third party provider will proctor you how are you doing any cheat codes, or are you looking somewhere and writing this exam, are you following any hacks or not. So they have some policies, every policy like you have to accept it. So they have an every authority to ask you to share your screen, to look, to see your surroundings. You have to rotate your camera. You have to rotate your laptop. And if they find any noise, in the backgrounds, they may stop your exam at any point of time. Okay, then after clicking yes, 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 come to the bottom, then click on agree. So after this, which language you prefer the proctor to speak? See, if you are giving exam through English, so proctor should also basically should be in English. So then just click on next. Now, is this your preferred time? See, most people make this mistake. Okay, so currently I am following an IST, so it is giving me an IST. While scheduling an exam, you have to very much clear. See, I have got some DM saying scheduled exam is 4 p.m., but it is showing as a 4 a.m. So they missed to attempt the exam, so which is very bad. So then you just click on yes, that's right, your preferred time zone. Just make sure what time zone you have in your laptop, then choose accordingly. Select your date. Currently I'm recording this video on December 15th, so tomorrow is the 16th, right? So I don't have an option to give the exam tomorrow. So I am scheduling this exam like I may have certain time, I will take certain time, then I want to schedule this on Monday, which is nothing but January 5th 2026. Then it is also ask your time of preference. So you want the time zone should be preferred like 12 hours. I want like this only. So 8:15 a.m. to 10:15 Asia. But if you are not available with this early morning on the Monday, you can just click on explore more times. So this is giving you more times. I want the time slots between in the midnight, like 8:15 to 11:45. So my exam should be start. I am taking as 11:15. So then my exam will be finished by 1:15 a.m., which is in the earliest morning. Then you can click on book this appointment. So make sure your date, make sure your time. These are the two important parameters. Then click on book this appointment. So if you have a voucher, next step is a payment analysis. So if you have a voucher, which is nothing but where you get 100% free if you are attended this fabric data days, which is very easy. So my just make sure before proceeding checkout, appointment is a Monday, January 5th. The check-in time is at 10:45 p.m. Uh, at this time I have to check in to make sure my laptop is ready or not and everything. Then start time is 11:15. If you want to change, you can also click on change. Yeah, the exam language is language is English, and the length duration is 120 minutes, 2 hours. The price is like 4,865, including if you make the tax and everything, then it will coming around 5740. Then click on proceed to checkout. So you can give your credit card if you have a Mastercard, Visa card, this Amex card. Then you can choose all the credit cards like American Express or Mastercard, or which these three cards are accepted. If any one of the card is not working, then try to have a backup of another card. So I have voucher with me, so I want to apply with my voucher. So this is my voucher. Then let me click on apply. So then it is giving me 100% discount. The final payment is zero for me. So if you are following this community guidelines, if you are following community activities, you will get these kind of a benefit. So currently I have saved almost my 5,000 rupees for writing this exam. Then click on next. So processing, it is asking all your details. Then submit your order. So just make sure any payment is asking, no, it is zero. Then submit the order. It is loading. So your appointment is confirmed. An order appointment would be coming to your mail ID. You can check it out. Successful system test on the computer. We have to plan this before the exam. So I'll take this before my examination. So this is how you can able to apply your examination. So these are all the details where you will be getting. If you have any other doubts, just comment on this video how to apply and everything. I can able to answer for you. So these same steps are applied for a DP-600, a DP-700, or PL-300. So if anyone is looking to apply, you can share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this will motivate for me to do more and more videos and value added information to you. So thank you so much, everyone. See you in the next.